Hey everyone, how's it going? In today's video, I want to show you guys how to draw Doodle Kong. Now, to start off with Doodle Kong, we're going to begin with his eyes. So I'm going to start by making a line that goes down, and then it's going to curve up and down like this. And I'll make another one over here. It goes down and then curves up and down. Now for his eyes, we're just going to make a circle shape that goes down and comes back up. We'll do the same thing over here. We're going to go down and bring it back up. I'm going to add a small little line right between the eyes. And I'm going to take this line, I'm going to bring it down here and all the way up to here. Now for the mouth, I'm going to draw a line that goes up. It's going to come down, then it's going to go up and down just like that. Add a little line right here. 2 small dots for the nose. Next, we're going to put some teeth in here. And same thing at the bottom. With a little line for the tongue and just color in the rest of this. And in here, I'm going to draw a little line that curves. I'm going to put a little indentation in there for the eye. Same thing here, and then we'll just color this in. Now, starting right here, I'm going to take this line and I'm going to bring it all the way down to here. I'm going to add 2 little points at the top for some hair. Next, I'm going to take this line and bring it down to here. And we'll start on the arm. We're going to draw a line that goes out and then up like this. A few little zigzags across. And we go down and back in here. I'll do the same thing on this arm. I'm going to go up at a little bit more of an angle and then up like this. A couple zigzags across and then down and back here. Little line that curves around for a thumb. Do the same thing over here. Then I'm just going to make a line that goes up and down. One that goes down and then comes over to the thumb a little bit. And one more right here. Add a little line in there. Same thing over here, up and down. One that goes down and around. And one more right here. Little line. Little line right there too. Next for the leg, a little line down. Some zigzags and a little line back up. And then just connect this line right here. For the foot, just draw a line that goes over, comes up and down for a toe, one more here, and then one right there, and connect that. For this one, I want it to be up in the air, so I'm going to go up and down. A couple little zigzags, and we're going to go up and over. Draw a little line that goes out and comes back around. One more here, and then one right here. Then we just go down and come back. A little squiggly line for some detail. Now for some ears, I'm just going to draw a little curved line here and a little one right here. Put a little detail inside each ear. And I'm going to add a little line that goes up and down above the eyes. And there you go. There is your drawing of Doodle Kong. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed.